NJIT, we're a community of learners, students, faculty, staff, all committed to the pursuit of knowledge and to the success of one another. The CEIE will serve as the heart of that commitment. Through its 3 pillars, pedagogical innovation, educational technology, and education research, it will provide the tools, the resources, and the community that faculty need to elevate their teaching and help our students reach their fullest potential.
I'm passionate about the work I do because I know how transformative it is to have instructors who believe in you and challenge you to be more, even when you're doing well. Instructors who see your potential and shine a light on it for you. Instructors who know that learning can be rigorous and difficult, but still fulfilling and even fun. My hope is that the work I do with the CEIE will help our educational community cultivate environments that are challenging and supportive. Courses where students aren't afraid of being wrong, but invited to be curious. And classrooms that feel like coming home, where students walk in the door and think, yes, this is where I'm meant to be. I'm confident that through the work of the CEIE, we will inspire students and empower educators and academic support staff to continue growing, experimenting, and innovating.
When you look at most universities across the country, they have something like a Center for Teaching and Learning. And that's there to help your faculty, to help your lecturers, to help your staff do better in the classroom, create better learning experiences for students. And CEIE is going to do all of that. But there's that I in CEIE that I think is really, really important, right? And that's so tied to who NJIT is, who we are as an institution, how we think. We look to innovate in everything, right? We're a polytechnic university, we innovate in science, we innovate in engineering, and we innovate in education. And CEIE is really there to help drive that component as well.
I would like them to take away that the CEIE is there to support any instructor or instructing center, so that could include TAs, tutoring, other departments as well, in ways that will drive them to be student-centered and innovative in the way that they interact with students, engage students, and teach students. So the CEIE's goal is to partner with anyone interested in that, but then also try to move the needle in areas where maybe people aren't thinking about that right now. And that's, I think, where it comes down to being a center of innovation. It's like, where are we going to push the boundaries? Where are we going to challenge the community to kind of think outside the box in the ways that we can transform education here at NJIT?